Do you know these words? This banana is rotten. This apple is bruised. This milk has gone sour. This soup is expired. This fish is rancid. The lettuce is wilted. The meat is spoiled. The cheese is moldy. The potatoes are sprouting. The eggs are rotten. The juice is fermented. The berries are mushy. The yogurt is curdled. The carrots are limp. The tomatoes are overripe. This banana is perfectly ripe. The bread is fresh. The apple is crisp. The cheese is perfectly aged. The lettuce is crisp. The potatoes are firm. The butter is creamy. The meat is tender.